Clear pronunciation is like a bridge. It connects your words with the listener's understanding. When you pronounce words well, people understand you easily. This makes communication smoother and more enjoyable. Good pronunciation builds confidence and helps you connect with others. Speaking clearly is important for everyone. It is especially crucial for language learners. Mastering pronunciation can be challenging, but it is a fun and rewarding journey. Reading aloud is a powerful tool for improving pronunciation. Think of it as a gym for your mouth muscles. When you read aloud, you train your tongue, lips, and jaw to form sounds correctly. This helps you develop muscle memory for accurate pronunciation. Reading aloud also improves your listening skills. As you read, you hear the sounds of the language. You become more aware of subtle differences in pronunciation. This helps you distinguish between similar-sounding words. Reading aloud offers numerous benefits for language learners. It helps you internalize the sounds of the language. Regular practice trains your ears to recognize correct pronunciation. This makes it easier to understand native speakers. Reading aloud also boosts your vocabulary. As you encounter new words, you practice pronouncing them. This helps you remember their meaning and use them confidently in conversations. Selecting suitable reading material is crucial for effective practice. Start with texts that are slightly below your language level. This allows you to focus on pronunciation without getting bogged down by complex grammar or vocabulary. Choose topics that interest you. This makes the reading experience more enjoyable and motivating. You can read anything from short stories and poems to news articles and blog posts. Section 5. Finding your voice. Tips for effective practice. Find a quiet place where you feel comfortable reading aloud. Stand or sit up straight to improve your breathing and voice projection. Start by reading slowly and clearly, focusing on each sound. Don't be afraid to exaggerate the sounds at first. This helps you train your mouth muscles and develop accurate pronunciation. As you progress, you can gradually increase your reading speed. Section 6. Overcoming the fear of mistakes. Many language learners fear making pronunciation mistakes. Remember that mistakes are part of the learning process. Don't let fear hold you back from practicing. Embrace your mistakes as opportunities to learn and improve. Record yourself reading aloud and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Focus on one or two sounds at a time. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey of mastering English pronunciation. Section 7. The mirror and the friend tools for improvement. Use a mirror to observe your mouth movements as you read aloud. This helps you ensure that you are forming the sounds correctly. Pay attention to your tongue position, lip shape, and jaw movement. Ask a friend or language partner to listen to you read. They can provide feedback on your pronunciation and offer suggestions for improvement. Choose someone who is supportive and encouraging. Section 8. The joy of reading aloud. Reading aloud is not just about improving pronunciation. It is also about experiencing the joy of language. Choose books, poems, or articles that resonate with you. Share your favorite passages with others and spread the love of reading. Reading aloud can transport you to different worlds, introduce you to new perspectives, and ignite your imagination. Embrace the power of language and let your voice soar. Section 9. Continue the journey. Resources for success. Many online resources can help you improve your English pronunciation. Explore pronunciation dictionaries, language learning apps, and online communities. Practice regularly and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that mastering pronunciation is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, be kind to yourself, and never stop learning. Your efforts will be rewarded with clearer communication and a deeper connection with the English language. Section 10. Advanced Pronunciation Techniques. In this chapter, we will explore advanced techniques to refine your pronunciation. These techniques include shadowing, minimal pairs practice, and using phonetic symbols. Mastering these methods can significantly enhance your speaking skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Shadowing involves listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say immediately. This technique is particularly effective because it forces you to pay close attention to the nuances of pronunciation, including stress, rhythm, and intonation. This helps you mimic the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. By doing so, you can develop a more authentic accent and improve your overall fluency. Minimal pairs practice focuses on distinguishing between similar sounds, which is crucial for clear communication, such as ship and sheep. Practicing these pairs can help you avoid common pronunciation errors that might confuse listeners. This method sharpens your ability to hear and produce subtle differences in pronunciation. It trains your ear to pick up on slight variations in sound, which is essential for mastering any language. Using phonetic symbols can help you understand the exact sounds of the language. The International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, provides a consistent way to represent sounds, making it easier to learn and practice correct pronunciation. Providing you with a visual guide to correct pronunciation. This can be especially helpful when learning new words or phrases, as it gives you a clear reference for how each sound should be produced. Incorporate these techniques into your practice routine to take your pronunciation to the next level. Consistent practice with these methods will lead to noticeable improvements over time. With consistent effort and attention to detail, you can achieve a high level of proficiency in pronunciation. You'll find yourself speaking with greater clarity and confidence. Remember, the key to success is regular practice and a willingness to refine your skills continuously. Section 11. Pronunciation Challenges and Solutions. In this chapter, we will delve into the intricacies of pronunciation, a crucial aspect of mastering any language. Pronunciation can often be a stumbling block for learners, but with the right techniques and consistent practice, it can be significantly improved. We will discuss common pronunciation challenges faced by language learners and provide practical solutions to overcome them. These challenges can vary depending on the learner's native language and the sounds that are unique to the language they are trying to learn. One common challenge is the "the" sound, which can be difficult for non-native speakers. This sound does not exist in many languages, making it particularly tricky for learners to master. To produce the correct "the" sound, practice placing your tongue between your teeth and blowing air. This might feel awkward at first, but with repetition, it will become second nature. Try practicing with words like think, this, and both. It might feel awkward at first, but with repetition, it will become second nature. Using pronunciation apps can also be very helpful, as they provide instant feedback and allow you to practice at your own pace. Another challenge is the difference between R and L sounds. This can be particularly tricky for speakers of certain languages such as Japanese or Korean, where these sounds are not distinguished in the same way. This can be particularly tricky for speakers of certain languages. To overcome this, focus on the tongue position and practice with words like right and light. Pay attention to the subtle differences in how these sounds are produced. Focus on the tongue position and practice with words like right and light. Listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation can also be very beneficial. Try to notice the slight movements of the tongue and lips. Pay close attention to how native speakers form these sounds and try to mimic them. Record yourself and compare your pronunciation to that of native speakers. This can help you identify areas that need improvement. By addressing these challenges head-on, you can significantly improve your pronunciation and communicate more effectively. Confidence will grow as you notice your progress, and this will further motivate you to keep practicing. Remember, improvement takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Consistency is key, and even small daily practice sessions can lead to significant improvements over time. Keep practicing, and you'll see noticeable progress in your pronunciation skills. Celebrate your successes no matter how small and keep pushing forward. Your dedication will pay off, and soon you'll be speaking with greater clarity and confidence. Section 12. Pronunciation Practice Routine. In this chapter, we will outline a comprehensive daily practice routine designed to help you improve your pronunciation skills effectively. To start, it's essential to plan your practice sessions. Dedicate a specific time each day for your pronunciation exercises. Consistency is key, so make sure to set a daily reminder or mark it on your calendar. Begin with a warm-up exercise to prepare your vocal cords. Humming or lip trills are excellent choices as they help relax your vocal cords and get them ready for more intensive practice. Spend about 5 minutes on this step. Next, spend 10 minutes reading aloud. Choose a passage from a book, a script, or any text that interests you. Focus on clear and accurate pronunciation, paying attention to the sounds of each word and the rhythm of your speech. Using a mirror can be incredibly helpful. Observe your mouth movements to ensure you are forming sounds correctly. This visual feedback can help you make necessary adjustments and improve your articulation. Spend 5 minutes practicing minimal pairs. These are pairs of words that differ by only one sound, such as ship and sheep. This exercise will help you distinguish between similar sounds and improve your overall pronunciation accuracy. End your practice session with a shadowing exercise. Listen to a native speaker and repeat after them, mimicking their intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation. This technique helps you internalize the natural flow of the language. Consistency is crucial for improvement. Make this routine a part of your daily schedule. Even on busy days, try to fit in at least a few minutes of practice to maintain your progress. By dedicating just a small amount of time each day, you'll notice significant improvements in your pronunciation over time. Regular practice will lead to gradual but steady progress. Remember, practice makes perfect. With consistent effort and dedication, you'll achieve your pronunciation goals. Celebrate your small wins along the way, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off.